The DStv Premiership Babize Bonke show kicked off with a star-studded cast that did not fail to deliver when it comes to the fun, facts, and football fanaticism. The hot topic of the day was the debut DStv Premiership Soweto Derby.
My mind is saying 1-1, but my heart is saying 2-1.
When it comes to the catch-up segment, we got to find out a little bit more about the stars.
When I do my thing, I do my thing.
And we also spoke about the legacy of the Soweto Derby and some of the legends.
It actually gives you the buzz and atmosphere that gives you, goosebumps and
you know,
to really come together. It unites us in a lot of ways. You understand?
So you want to buy us new TV sets, right?
Yes.
Exactly. Yeah.
No, we'll buy you guys spectacles. You must be able to watch what we are watching.
And to wrap up the show, we upped the ante between the two rivals as we got to know who knows better when it comes not only to football, but also DStv programming.
2-1 Orlando Pirates.
Nope.
1-0 Kaiser Chiefs.
That's correct.
Yeah.
That's perfect. At least you remembered, otherwise the dog would shoot. So don't forget to join us on the different DStv social media platforms on Twitter and on Facebook, as well as on our YouTube page, so that you can find out how you get to join us right here on the DStv Premiership #Babize Bonke Show.